G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do a flip cup pour, this time with a series of fawn and brown reddy kind of colours. So my colours today are Pebeo's iridescent red blue, rose gold, which is a metallic colour, burgundy, brown earth, fawn, bisque, pale gold and titanium white. So I've now mixed pouring medium with all of the paints and it's time to layer my cup now. Now for this I'm going to use my standard cell activator. I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. And I'm going to start with a generous layer on the bottom of the cup. Before I go too much further, I just want to point out that this is the titanium white, the Amsterdam titanium white cell activator, but I also have a lamp black cell activator, and I'll put just a few drops in between some of the layers for interest. So I've already prepared my canvas. This is the front of the canvas. This is the back of the canvas, and I've added painter's tape as well as giant push pins. So it's time to flip the cup now. And I'll just get the remaining paint out of the cup and spread it around the edges and the corners. So it looks like I've got some interesting layering in this one, which could become quite a feature, I think. I don't have a huge amount of lacing. I've got a little bit in the top up here and some subtle layers of lacing and cells in the center. I'm just going to center the paint a little bit more and then I'll spin it out, I think. So at the moment, the bulk of the paint is down in this section. So when I spin it, I'm expecting these corners to be covered, and this might be a difficult corner at the end, but let's see how we go. Okay, so that worked down in this corner. Now I just need to work out where the bulk of the paint is. Help it towards this upper corner. Okay, that's going quite well, but I think these two corners still need some help. Okay, we're almost off this corner, so now I'm just going to try to get it closer to this last corner. And I might put it just a little bit off center and then spin it again. Okay, that's largely covered all of the corners. Now I'm going to see if I can move the paint down in this direction a little bit. And maybe I'll have this off center here. Just trying to slightly reduce the emphasis on this brown. Again, a little bit off center. And what I might do is just pull some paint from underneath to help this slide over the corners. Overall, I think I'm really happy with this one. It's quite a subtle piece in terms of the colours, the hues altogether, but it does have a lot of very subtle layers in here, and it's got some delicate almost lacing up here in the top section, some actual lacing up here, but I'm hoping that some of the iridescence and the metallics will actually shine through when I apply gloss varnish.